In V-Ray 5, it is introduced for the first time the V-Ray Asset Browser, which is a really cool feature. If you have an older version of V-Ray, then you need to upgrade to gain access to it. Go to the V-Ray toolbar and click on the V-Ray Asset Browser. If you don't see the V-Ray toolbar, right-click on an empty spot up here and select the V-Ray toolbar. On the left side, we see a list of material categories like bricks, concrete, fabrics, and so on. And on the right side, we can see the preview of the materials each category includes. How do we use these materials? Let's push the V-Ray Asset Browser to the side and open the material editor. Let's create a new view here. From the V-Ray Asset Browser, go to Stone, for instance. And let's select this one, right-click and choose Add to Scene. Instantly, we can see this stone material in the material editor. See why I created a new view? So that our new material doesn't fall on other materials we have already created. When we see a black preview on a V-Ray bitmap, this usually means that it didn't load the textures, unless you have selected the black texture, dark black wood or marble, let's say. To load the missing textures, we will use the asset tracking. Go to File, Reference, Asset Tracking Toggle. Click on the refresh button, and then go and check where it says Missing. Select the maps that are missing and go Paths, Set Path. Click on the three dots button and go to the folder that contains the textures. If you are not sure where these maps are located, simply type the name of your map in your computer's search bar and choose Open File Location. So this is the path you need to follow in asset tracking. Click Use Path and OK. Now, in the status column, the file missing changed to OK and we are good. Let's assign it to our floor. Don't forget to enable the Show Shaded Material in Viewport so that you can see a preview of the material in the viewport. Let's produce a render. Let's go and try one more material. If we don't create a new view, then the new material will go on top of the other one and we will get confused. So first, either move the previous material or create a new view. You can see here that the textures are missing. Let's go again to File, Reference, Asset Tracking. As we said before, don't forget to hit the refresh button. Let's do a render. We have seen so far the diffuse, the reflect, and the refract parameters. We haven't seen the bump parameter.